How to turn off sound while playing Zombeast. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are on Zombeast and want to play without any sound, then first of all launch the Zombeast FPS Zombie Shooter game on your device, and from the main menu go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in this settings page where you'll see a music note and the speaker icon. Go ahead and turn off the music by dragging the slider right next to the music note and keep it to 0 or all the way towards the left. You can also turn off the speaker icon and drag it towards the left to disable the music that may play during the game. So now you can get back to the game, and no matter your device's volume is up or down, you will be able to play the game without any kind of sound effect. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.